I am super excited because I got some Nudestix items for my birthday, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of them and also a swatches and a review of what I think of the items that I got. So first up, unboxing. So the boxing was a little out there. I mean, there was Nudestix, the name of the company, plastered all over the outside of the packaging. It was even on the tape they used to seal it up. When I got these in the mail, my dad was the one who brought them in the house, and he said, "Mimi, you got some weird packages." And I'm gonna be honest, because it said Nudestix, I think he thought they were sex toys. Yeah, I know, that's super funny. But that's why I don't like having companies, logos, names, or whatever all over our packaging, because it makes it look like you've purchased more than you have, or it's announcing what's in the box for it to get stolen or misconstrued, as in this case with Nudestix. Now, the packaging was beautiful. I don't have complaints about that. Everything was beautifully bubble wrapped on the inside with the cutest pink bubble wrap. I've never seen pink bubble wrap before. And then it had a little black and white heart sticker on it that was just adorable. And once you open that up, there was the packing slip. And then these boxes. I know that I ordered all of these with the box, but only 2 of them came in the box. 2 of the blushes came in the box. And the lip gloss also came in a box. Now, I don't like these. I don't get the point of this tin. It's kind of hard to open if you were to keep it in your purse. It's got a beautiful mirror in it though. They just seem awkward and bulky, and I don't understand. I will probably be using these to store hairpins or something like that, but that could be something that I keep my Nudestix in the bag. They are real metal, and they're pretty boxes. They say Nudestix on the front. It's nice. Now, the Nudestix itself looks like this. This side where the color is, that's where the actual blush lip balm is. And on the other end, there is a brush. It's a good brush. I haven't used it for blending out my, blending this out, so I don't know how well it will work. This seems like a nice brush. It seems soft. The other thing about it is it comes off so that you can clean it. This would be good for travel. So this is a good item to travel with. All right, so I got 3 of the blushes and 1 of their lip glosses. So now let's get into swatches. I'm going to be swatching them both on my cheeks and on my lips, because these can be worn both as blush and lipstick. They can also be used on your eyes, and I haven't tried them that way yet, but I may never do that, so I haven't showed that in this video. Okay, so what do I think of these? They're beautiful. The colors that I got upon first impression, I wasn't very impressed. But as I have worn these, they're so lovely. They're very nude, natural colors. I am wearing the color right now, Dolce Darlin. I have it on my cheeks and on my lips. And it's just the best natural, everyday makeup look. I also, upon first impressions, did not like the color Crimson Lover, but as I wore it on both my lips and my cheeks, I liked it more and more and more. When I first put this on, I thought this color looked like a dark bruise, but when I blended it in and wore it, it just looked like this beautiful, natural, bronzy, reddish, warm flush, and it was really, really pretty. Now the color Sunset Strip is very pink, at least on my complexion, is very, very pink. But it's a natural nudie pink, and it's very pretty. And Dolce Darlin, it's a orangey brown, and it's warm, but it's very pretty color. So they all are they're not a glam makeup product, at least not on my skin tone. I think if you're fairer, these can be quite bright, but on me, they're muted and pretty and everyday. And I like that. They also feel like lipstick on your lips. They're slightly moisturizing, slightly oily, but not oily on your cheeks. On your cheeks, they blend in like a cream and then kind of set down like a powder. Well, they do set down on your lips. They kind of have an oily slip to them that's interesting, while it feels slightly dry. It's in between dry and oily on your lips. These do beautifully both on their own, over foundation, and over powder. Some creams don't work over powder, and these work over powder. Now the way I like to apply them is I like to apply the product. Here, I'll be right back. I got my brush so I can show you what I'm talking about. I like to take the blush like this and rub it right on to this brush. This is kind of a densely packed brush. Get a ton of it on this, and then tap it in like this onto my cheek. And then blend it by patting my fingers around the edges, because I find that when I put this directly onto my cheek, it's harder to blend. I mean, you can blend it, but it takes more effort, and it gives a streak line. You can see that when I did the swatches, the line streak. I don't like a line streak. I like a diffused look to my blush, and I find that using this brush is the best way to get that diffused look. Now, these are expensive, but I believe they're worth the price. They're $35 each. Don't like the 10. You can order them with or without the 10. I suggest ordering them without the 10. I believe when you order them without the 10, the price goes down a little bit. Now let's talk about this Nudestix lip gloss. I like the packaging. Woo! Okay, I like the packaging. I like the little brush that it comes with. It's very nice on the lips. Doesn't look like it would be. It looks like any average brush, but on the lips it's kind of cushiony. I was not expecting the peppermint in the formula. I do not like plumping lip glosses. That's why I haven't reviewed any of the new glosses by Maybelline or by NYX, because I don't like plumping lip glosses. I think they burn. This has a slight tingle, and the tingle stays on your lips, but it never burns, and it smells like peppermint candy, like a very hot peppermint candy. Think of Altoids. That's what it smells like the old-fashioned peppermint Altoids. That's what this smells like, And it has this feeling on your lips like it is going to burn, but it never does. And I'm very sensitive to those kinds of things. I love the quality of this gloss. This is probably one of the best glosses that I've ever used. And this color 08 is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. The only thing that would keep me from giving this a 10 out of 10 stars if I were to rate it and not an 8 out of 10 is the peppermint. The peppermint knocks off 2 stars for me, but I like this enough to continue to use it. Before I go, I want to swatch all these colors on my hand so you can see what they look like next to each other. So this is Nude 08, the gloss. Next up we have Crimson Lover. Oh wait, this isn't Crimson Lover. What color is this? Oh, Sunset Strip. That's pink. So, Nude 08 gloss, Sunset Strip, right there. This one is Dolce Darlin. This is the color I'm wearing. See, it's like a copper orangey shade. Well, this one is a nudie pink. And last, we have Crimson Lover. This color looks darker than it is when you swatch it. Actually, no, it looks the same. So, there are the colors. Nude 08, Sunset Strip, which is matte, Dolce Darlin, which is a smoothing matte, and Crimson Lover, which has its beautiful sheen to it. And that's it. That's my review and swatching of the Nudestix that I got for my birthday. I turned 45, by the way, if you can believe it. So if you like this video, please give me 2 thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Can't speak. And I talk to you later. My name's Mimi. Bye-bye.